What is going on YouTube? This is Inventory King at Inventory King on Instagram, and don't forget Inventory King at thecichlidshack.com or email jlargo20@gmail.com. Give them the code word Inventory King. You're going to get 10% off your order of fishing products. So this is the 220 that if you guys seen, IFG did a spotlight on my channel. Shout out to IFG. Thank you, sir. Everyone go sub to his channel. Guy's got amazing stuff. So I am going to be doing step-by-step of me getting this 220 all up and running. So it does need to be restored a little bit. It's not anything insane. But I mean, you could tell there's some fuzziness to this. Luckily nothing crazy again. Let's see if I could get my hand in here and you can tell the difference. So you can see my hand's not super clear. Let's try to focus again. So you could tell it's fuzzy, which that'll get fixed here soon. So what we got going on here is I got some polishers. I am not going to be using the bonnet, just the foam. Then I got my gloves. We got microfiber cloths. We got the Novus polish system, palm sander, electric drill, water bottle, earmuffs, 1000 and 2000 grit wet or dry sandpaper, and a plug outlet. So I am going to be sanding and polishing this tank, getting it all nice and clear for my big fish. So anyway, I'm gonna probably try to take a couple pictures of this if I can to get some before and afters. But anyway, yeah, you could tell right here, nice and clear. That was a test spot. Here's where I didn't do it. You could just see it's all foggy and all that stuff. Stand by, I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna do some recording of this. Guys, you know, I'm not sure if you could see this here, but you know, there are definitely scratches on this tank. And you could see, I don't know if you could tell, but on the back side here, there's a nice little haze. There's a nice haze to it. Again, nothing insane though. This is going to be nice and easy. Alright, time to do the outside now. Alright guys, so we got the whole tank sanded with the 1000 grit wet dry sandpaper. Now we're going to do 2000, just a light sand, clean it up, and then start polishing. Alright guys, so that was part one of two on this tank restoration. We are going to stop right here for the sanding, make this part one, and then we are going to make part two being the polishing. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Use Inventory King at thecichlidshack.com or emailing jlargo20@gmail.com and get 10% off. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll be at you with part two soon. Thanks guys. Fish on.